Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Facebook app. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here and you just go down, you will click here on apps and you come to apps window here like you say, and you will just go down here to looking for Facebook app. Then we will click here on Facebook and we come to next window here like you say, then we click here on for stop, then we click here on OK and you just click here on storage, then we come here to storage window like you say, and you click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it, you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you. Don't forget to thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.